here I am. What up? What up?
Woohoo! Good morning, what is up everyone? Happy Saturday. It is January 29th on the East Coast. We got hit with some snow. We're still getting hit with some snow. We got about 8 to 9, maybe 10 inches right now. If you guys saw my last video, I am running every day for the whole year, which means I have to head out on my run today. It's going to be interesting. We're only doing 1 mile. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it out now. Since it is a snow day, Natalie and I have a great video planned. But before that, we got to check off the day and get this run in. So I'm going to put the phone down, put some gloves on, and head out for this run. All right, just came in off the run. In case you guys, need to hear this, 8 inches of snow is not ideal for running, but nevertheless, we got done, checked out the day. Now I can get on with the rest of this beautiful snow day. I mean, it is gorgeous out. I can't complain at all. All right, finally in the car, about to attempt to go to Natalie's for the first time. The snow's been, or not the snow, but the roads haven't really been plowed around here, so it is kind of tough driving. Got the Jeep though, gonna put her down in 4-wheel, take her nice and slow. Natalie only lives a couple minutes away, so it's not gonna be that hard to get there. So, wish me luck. It took me about 30 minutes to clean off my car because all I had was this little dinky brush. And it was a pain in the butt. So, off to Natalie's. Oh, frozen shut, I guess.
My trunk is frozen shut too. I have so much snow on my feet.
Oof. Ah, you're fine. I have so much snow on mine.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hi.
Let's go for a quick drive. I'll show
Okay.
you around.
Don't crash, please.
Oh my gosh.
No, don't get in there. Can I climb?
You can climb.
Yeah, that's like... It's slippery.
All right, do you want me to carry you?
I'm stuck. Come on, Prince Charming. Steve A. Fit. Steve A. Fit.
So now that we're back to her house, I get the luxury of snow blowing her driveway.
Because I don't want to do it.
So that leaves, this one's not gonna do it.
I'm doing the cars. So
So this leaves me. So we're gonna do this before we get into our snow day activities.
hi guys. It's your girl, Natalie. Here I am. What up? What up? Steven's being really nice and doing my driveway.
All right, Natalie, what have you been doing since?
I made a snowman. I got a carrot.
All right, let's finish it off.
Should I make him taller? I tried, but my feet got cold. I didn't think about the eyes.
You need rocks.
Yeah. I love her. Scarlet.
Are you warm now?
No. Should we take a look at my toes again? Wait, I don't show them for free, so.
That's true. You gotta pay to see those.
Yeah, they're so bright red. Like, do you think I should air them out? Let's look at my nail polish. Snow day.
So I don't have a TikTok.
But I do, and I don't get why he doesn't get a TikTok because he watches reels all the time.
I don't watch reels. They
Yes, you
happen
do.
to come up
You
on my
watch
feed.
reels.
Anyway, we thought it would be a great idea for Natalie and I to do some of TikTok's
Biggest challenges / trends.
exactly. And I don't know what I would be in for.
I don't even know half of them because I'm on like...
Weird TikTok?
Yeah.
So I just told Natalie, a couple days ago? I keep reminding her, hey, save some challenges, save some things that you find. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I probably did 5 minutes before.
We're going to do it today, but it doesn't look like we're going to be able to. So instead, we're just going to make some banana bread. Fun fact, what's up?
Apparently, I don't know how true this is. Someone told me that you can get salmonella. When you get salmonella, you don't get it from the eggs, you get it from the flour.
All right, guys, heading home now. The muffins are taking way longer than expected, and it's getting dark, and I need dinner, so I'm heading home now. But we are going to reconnect tomorrow. We should get the end product in. So I'll pick you guys up. See you guys tomorrow. What is up, guys?
What's up? What's up?
It is Sunday now.
Wait, where are you going?
We're going to Billy's.
Not. Oh, Billy. I forgot where Billy lived. I always mix him and Ryan up.
Well, now that you guys know, we are on our way to Billy's house.
When did they get their room?
We're going to Billy's house because we are picking up him and his girlfriend, Arden, and we're hoping the roads are still good enough to go sledding. So we have between my Jeep and his Jeep, we've got some ropes and some sleds. So we're gonna go tow each other around some neighborhoods
Not me.
and have some fun in the snow. What do you think, Natalie?
I'm too scared, but I'll watch.
There we go. For the Jeep. Gotta give him the Jeep wave. Where is he? Say happy, dude. It's
Happy?
for the oh, I don't know why I said happy. I'm
Happy?
an idiot. What is happy for?
Happy Steven.
Say hi, dude. It's for the vlog.
Oh, what's up, man?
Here we go.
Just packing Jeep.
All right, so we got the tube. We finally figured out how we're gonna attach ourselves to the back of the Jeep. And we're gonna do a test run around my circle. We'll see how this works. So here we go. All right, putting the snow tube away. Gonna strap up on a snowboard and we're gonna see how this works. So that didn't work out as planned or as imagined. The roads weren't too great, and we just weren't as prepared for it. We came up with it yesterday, and we kind of just went for it. So the roads just didn't have enough snow on it, and what snow was there, it was kind of icy. So our plan is to go out next time when there's a lot more fresh snow, and there's not nearly as many cars out driving around. So that was another issue. We kind of had to dodge some cars when they were coming. So once the next big snowfall hits, we're gonna go out as early as we can and get it done. Right now, we're going home. I'm getting changed because Natalie and I have to do some food shopping for the week. And then we're gonna check on those banana chocolate chip muffins that we were making yesterday. I know. So
I already ate one.
Were they good?
Yeah, it was good. They're not as dark as they were last time, though.
Oh. So, gonna get home, change, and then we're gonna taste some of those muffins. All right. You said they were good?
I mean, I thought it was.
Let's see. Big reveal. Ooh, you put it right in the...
What? I'm unpacking my food.
I'm just messing with you. All right, which one are we gonna go for? Let's go for this one. All right, Natalie, first bite. Here we go. Yeah, they're very moist and very dense. You know why? Probably because of the 4 bananas instead of 3.
No, but last time they were like brown.
Yeah, we were really good. We did very well. Damn. Bye, Natalie.
Bye, Steven.
I'll see you later. All right, what is up, guys? We are back home now. So overall, that's going to round out today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If so, please leave a like and please consider subscribing if you guys haven't already. It means the world to me. I love seeing new subscribers, and it really always makes my day whenever I get a new one. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys have a great week. Try and get another video out next week for you. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next